I love riding my motorcycle because it makes me feel good. It makes me feel relaxed. It makes me feel grateful about life. Gives me time to think and time to reflect. I started riding a motorcycle out of necessity. I needed a commuter vehicle for my first job, so I got a motorcycle. It helped me save money and saved me a lot of time from traffic too.
As long as I'm riding a motorcycle, I'm happy, I'm free, I'm content. I don't care about deadlines. The visceral feeling of the acceleration surging through your body as you twist the throttle. It's the feeling of gravity acting upon you as you lean the bike. I don't care about gas prices, so I'm pretty sure I should.
I can't think of any other experience quite like riding a motorcycle. It just feels like every time you're on a bike, you're literally just hanging on for life.
I ride as much as I can, but normally I get to ride every weekend. The destinations I'd like to go to are always Batangas, Tagaytay, or Rizal.
My own personal bikes don't get used that much. And so I make it a habit at least once a week, start both of them, keep them running for around 5 minutes, take them around the parking lot. It's a fun experience for me because I feel accomplished that I can take care of something that I enjoy and something that gives me joy.
As far as spending time with my motorcycle is concerned, I really enjoy cleaning it. I mean, it sounds corny, but it's true. Every Sunday, cleaning everything, every nook and cranny of my bike, inspecting all the parts, making sure everything's tight, everything's where they're supposed to be. Hour will pass. It will just feel like 10 minutes for me. It's really something that I enjoy doing.
I also get the same satisfaction when I work on my bike. From washing it, cleaning the chains, from getting change oil and tune-up, from getting those upgrades. Those things really make me happy.
Well, it's therapeutic for me because I see motorcycles as more than just machines. They're friends to me, as cheesy as that sounds. If you take care of your bike, the bike takes care of you. It's a two-way street.
Maintaining my bike is very important for me. It is therapeutic in the sense that it gives me peace of mind knowing that, okay, going out there, riding your bike, and just feeling secure and confident with your bike.
I change my oil religiously every 5,000 kilometers. Alam yan ng mga may motor, they really love working on their bikes. It's like a relationship. The oil I like to use is Castrol Power 1. I can feel that my bike is smoother, has more acceleration after every change oil. And it's really good to have a peace of mind.
So it's very important that you change your oil frequently, well, as frequently as manufacturer recommends, and with the proper viscosity and quality for your bike. And that's where oil like Castrol's Power 1 Ultimate comes in. It's got great protection from wear, especially on higher strung bikes like mine, and it keeps engine temps low.
I think it's very important to keep your bike well maintained, not just to improve its performance, not just to make it go faster or smoother or anything like that, but also for your safety. Because, I mean, at the end of the day, a well-maintained bike is a safe bike. So if your bike is due for an oil change, I suggest you try using Castrol Power 1 Ultimate. Really make a difference to how your bike feels and how your bike performs.
Castrol Power 1 Ultimate provides improved acceleration and smoother ride, which is important for a cruiser like my Rebel 500.
Regularly maintaining your motorcycle is important to make sure you have the most fun with your riding experience. Keeps your bike healthy and keeps you happy.
So if your bike is due for an oil change, I highly suggest trying Castrol Power 1 Ultimate. It will really make a difference.